Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome, dear senior travelers and nature enthusiasts, to an enlightening journey through some of the world's most breathtaking national parks. These natural sanctuaries not only preserve the planet's most awe-inspiring landscapes and wildlife, but also offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As we embark on this adventure, we'll discover why national parks are ideal destinations for senior travelers and how they provide the perfect blend of beauty, relaxation, and accessibility. National parks around the world, numbering over 4,000, are treasures that showcase the grandeur of Mother Nature. They span diverse terrains, from the majestic peaks of the Himalayas to the lush coastal rainforests of Costa Rica. For senior travelers, these parks offer not only stunning vistas and serene environments, but also a chance to reconnect with nature at a pace that suits their comfort and needs. Why choose national parks for your next getaway? For starters, they provide an opportunity to indulge in the healing power of nature. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors can improve mental health, boost physical well-being, and even enhance longevity. For seniors, the clean air, gentle trails, and picturesque landscapes of national parks create an ideal setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Many national parks are designed with accessibility in mind, ensuring that visitors of all ages and abilities can enjoy their wonders. From guided tours to wheelchair-accessible pathways, these parks cater to the needs of senior travelers, making it easier than ever to explore the great outdoors without worry. Our journey begins in the enchanting Galapagos National Park. Established in 1959, this Ecuadorian gem is renowned for its unique wildlife and volcanic landscapes. Here, senior travelers can witness the slow amble of Galapagos tortoises, the playful antics of sea lions, and the mesmerizing dance of marine iguanas. The island's cool climate, thanks to the Humboldt Current, offers a refreshing escape from tropical heat. Next, we venture to the Pantanal Matogrossense National Park in Brazil, home to the world's largest tropical wetland. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a haven for biodiversity, offering senior travelers a chance to spot jaguars, capybaras, and a myriad of bird species in their natural habitat. The park's gentle waterways provide excellent opportunities for leisurely boat tours and wildlife photography. In the southern reaches of the Andes lies Argentina's Los Glaciares National Park. Its iconic granite peaks, such as Mount Fitzroy, and expansive glaciers, offer a breathtaking backdrop for senior adventurers. Here, you can take leisurely strolls along the park's well-marked trails and savor the tranquility of the pristine alpine environment. For those seeking the thrill of a safari, Kruger National Park in South Africa is a must. Covering nearly 20,000 square kilometers, it houses Africa's Big Five: elephants, lions, leopards, rhinos, and buffaloes. Guided safaris provide a safe and comfortable way for senior travelers to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. As we traverse continents, let's not forget the serene beauty of Norway's fjords in Jostedalsbreen National Park. Known for its vast glaciers and tranquil waters, this park is perfect for senior travelers who enjoy gentle hikes and boat tours amidst stunning Nordic landscapes. While the beauty of national parks is undeniable, many travelers face the challenge of finding affordable and comfortable accommodations. But fear not, dear viewers. We've got you covered. By clicking the link in the description below, you can discover the best places to stay near these natural wonders, ensuring your journey is both memorable and stress-free. In conclusion, national parks offer an unparalleled opportunity for senior travelers to immerse themselves in the splendor of the natural world. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, these parks provide the perfect backdrop for unforgettable experiences. So pack your bags, embrace the call of the wild, and embark on a journey that promises to enrich your soul and invigorate your spirit. Safe travels!